What's that? Is that the bone? Hanging over the edge of the table? Ooh, what are you going to do to get it? What?
Look at Zoe's encouraging her to get better.
How you going to get it? How you going to get that bone? This bone right here. How you going to get it? How you going to get it? Show me how earlier you tried to jump up on the chair.
I think she bumped her head.
Oh, that's so depressing.
Is that Maddie making that noise?
Yeah, both of them are. That's just so depressing. Yes. You sound like a cat. What? Is that torture? Oh. Oh, life is so tough. Why don't you get it? No? Just right here? Look, just right there. It's right there, hanging off the edge of the table. Look at it. Oh, that's just horrible. Is this considered dog abuse?
No, this was a learning experience.
The learning experience of patience comes to those who wait. Oh. Told her she has to wait till she eats her dinner before she gets the bone. Oh, so sad. So sad. Just eyeing that bone up.
Get it, Zoe. Go get it. Go get it, Zoe. Go get it, Zoe. Go get it. Get that bone. Stand there and let Maddie jump on your back.